So why don't you let me know if you've ever seen a messier workshop than mine currently. So this is supposed to be my turning station where my lathe is. As you can see, it'd be quite difficult to turn anything at the moment. My grinder, my chisels for turning. Can't really step for bumping into stuff. It's my main working area. My swivel vise. Just stuff dumped. Bandsaw, again, can't use it because there's stuff dumped everywhere. This could be a really useful area, but it's just not. So all my lumber storage, not much of it, but most of it's stored on the ground, as you can see. And under here, mess of cables, bucket. It wasn't originally supposed to be a bin, but that's kind of what it's turned into. This one, offcuts. That was like boxed stuff, like my forstner bits and washers and whatnot. Sandpaper, all different types, and some other random crap. It's another big box of offcuts. I can't get in it because of all the stuff on top of it. The vacuum, which very clearly doesn't get used. Mitre station, which can't be used. Oh, a tool that can be used. My 2-in-1 disc and belt sander. Drill storage. Just noticed how much that's bowing. But, I mean, it still works. This was my main workbench, but now it's not. It's just a dumping ground. Yeah. More lumber storage up there. Space up there. It's only part way through doing the roof. Part way through painting it. And then if we go into the other half, technically the other half isn't for workshop stuff, but I mean, oh, wow, storage. But again, roof's not finished. Jeez, worse than I remembered. So, paint storage, paint, and God knows what else. I just can't move for tripping over random crap. It's got to the point now where everything just needs pulling out and I need to start again. So I don't know about where you guys are, but living in the northwest of the UK, we get 2 seasons, winter and July. So actually that July season has kind of shifted to like end of April, May recently. So I'm waiting for the weather forecast to tell me that there's going to be a run of, I don't know, 2, 3, maybe 4 good days. I'm going to pull this entire workshop out into the garden and only put back the things that I can actually use. So try and create some more space, some better storage solutions. I'm thinking about dropping the router. Let me show you. Thinking about dropping the router table into the bench so it doesn't sit on it, and then obviously when I'm not using it I can wind it in. It's locked in place. I can wind it down and it's just not, it's a surface then, isn't it, to dump stuff on, clearly. Anyway, any tips on how you can manage in I think it's like a 7 by 7 foot workshop. No, it must be bigger than that. I think 9 by 9 foot. Any tips on managing in that, or ideas that you think I could use to keep this place a little bit more respectful, then let me know.